Experiencing short battery life on your Oral-B IO toothbrush? You're not alone. Since their introduction in 2020, the IO series has faced significant battery longevity challenges. The degradation pattern is dramatic. Users report battery life dropping from the initial 10 to 14 days per charge down to as little as 3 to 5 days after just over a year of use. The Oral-B IO series uses a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery with approximately 700 to 800 milliamp-hour capacity. Let's look at the internal components that contribute to power consumption. Several factors contribute to battery drain in the IO series. The magnetic drive system consumes 15 to 20% more power than traditional sonic motors. AI-powered sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and the LED display all add to power consumption. Battery degradation is accelerated by overcharging, temperature extremes, deep discharge cycles, and manufacturing inconsistencies. Understanding performance benchmarks helps identify when your battery needs attention. While you cannot replace the IO's battery, you can significantly extend its lifespan with proper care. Here are proven strategies that can add months or even years to your toothbrush's battery life. First and most important, optimize your charging habits. Remove your toothbrush from the charger once it reaches full charge. Continuous overcharging generates heat and degrades the lithium-ion battery faster. Second, control temperature exposure. Store your toothbrush in a cool, dry place away from heat sources. Bathroom humidity and temperature extremes accelerate battery degradation significantly. Third, maintain regular usage patterns and perform monthly calibration cycles. Use your toothbrush consistently rather than letting it sit unused for weeks. Once monthly, fully discharge the battery, then recharge it completely to recalibrate the battery management system. Fourth, manage your software and connectivity settings. Install firmware updates promptly, as they often include power optimization features. Disable Bluetooth connectivity when you don't need app synchronization to reduce background power consumption. Finally, maintain clean charging contacts. Regularly wipe both the toothbrush base and charger contacts with a dry cloth to ensure efficient power transfer. Poor connections force the charging system to work harder, generating excess heat and reducing battery life. By implementing these 5 strategies consistently, you can potentially extend your Oral-B IO battery life from the typical 18 months to 30 months or more. These simple practices can save you money and reduce electronic waste while keeping your toothbrush performing optimally.